Good morning, children. Good morning, all of you. Good morning. Children can switch on the microphone and wish good morning.
Good morning,
Good morning,
ma'am.
ma'am.
Good morning. Now you can
Good
switch off.
morning, ma'am.
Now switch off your microphones.
Good morning, ma'am.
Yes, good morning. Children, now we are going to start our today's topic. As you all know that from few days we are learning chapter 4, which is tick, 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 which is related with time. We have learned many things related with the time, right? How to convert, how to write AM and PM, how to convert 12-hour clock time to the 24-hour clock time, how to read the time, how to see the hands on the clock. So now today we will learn how to convert the times. For example, if I say convert 3 hours into minutes. So how many minutes are there in 3 hours? Please write the answer in the chat box. If you know the answer, please write. I'm waiting for your answer in the chat box.
What is the question?
Question
Type
is,
the answer.
how
Stop.
many minutes in 3 hours? You all know how many minutes in 1 hour?
Ma'am, I wrote it down in
Yes, yes, Ayush.
Ayush, you don't have to tell us. We can see.
Vivan and
Don't
Vihan
switch on
facing
your mics.
problem. Vivan, no. Yes, now my question is, how many minutes in 1 hour? That you all know, I know. Please write the answer. How many minutes in 1 hour? 60. Yes, 60 minutes. So if you know that 1 hour equals to 60 minutes, how many minutes in 3 hours? How many minutes in 3 hours? Now my next question is, yes, it's 180. How you did it? Can you please explain me in the chat box, children?
Ma'am, can I?
Yes.
Ma'am, because 60 plus 60 is equal to 120, and then again, if we add 60 to 180 will come. And if
That
we do
that is
come, and this is 3 hours. So it
okay.
total is 60 plus 60 plus 60.
Okay, as you know that
Ma'am,
multiplication is a repeated addition.
ma'am,
So you did 60 plus 60 plus 63 times and you
ma'am,
got the answer 180. Yes, my
ma'am,
dear.
ma'am, I did 60 multiplied by 3. So
I
it's
will come to that also.
short
Yes, I will.
method and easy also.
Yes, I will come to that also. So Ayush did this. Ayush did 60 plus 60 plus 60 is 180. He added 63 times and got the answer 180. And Vihan did this 60 into 3 and he got the answer 180. Now my question is who has done the calculation fast?
Vihan.
Ayush or
Vihan,
Vihan?
Vihan, Vihan,
Is there
Vihan,
any difference? Jahan
Vihan.
Jariwala,
Ma'am,
give me
Vihan.
answer one time
Vihan.
only.
Ma'am, can I speak?
Yes.
First remove 0 from 60, then do 6 multiplied by 3,
Yes.
18, then
Yes.
add 0 at the last.
Very good. This is also a new method. Very good. Excellent. This is Trisha, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, Trisha says that if I say 60 into 3 and if I want to do the mental multiplication faster, what she did, she multiplied 6 into 3 is 18 and then she added the 0. This is also third method. So out of these three, who did the calculation now faster?
Twisha.
Riddhi Goyal, stop
Trisha.
presenting your screen.
Goyal,
Yeah.
stop presenting your screen.
Ma'am,
Riddhi,
Riddhi Goyal is presenting.
yes, I know. I already instructed her. Riddhi, yes, thank you.
Ayush, switch off your
So,
mic.
so now tell me, who did the fast calculation?
Twisha.
Trisha? Yes.
Twisha, ma'am.
Answer is same in all the methods. Mathematics will never tell you to do the solution with which method. It's depend on you how fast you do the calculation, right? So now we will learn this conversions today. So as you have noticed here that from bigger unit to smaller unit we are going. Now we are converting hours to minutes. Now first my topic is to convert hours to minutes. So here this is the bigger unit. Can you all hear me clearly? Am I audible to you all clearly?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So here my first topic is convert hours to minutes. Here the bigger unit, this is the bigger unit and this is the smaller, minutes are the smaller unit. When we convert from bigger unit to smaller unit, in that case we multiply. Okay. Now my example is, my first sum is convert this 9 hours into minutes. So 9 hours is a bigger unit. You are going to convert it into the smaller unit. What you will do, you will multiply 9 into what? 60, because you know 1 hour equals to 60 minutes. So now what will be the answer? Yes. Why Trisha did quick response? Why she has given me the fast? Because what she did? She multiplied 9. Am I right, Trisha? You multiply 9 with the 6 and added 0?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. So all you know the table 9 6 are 54 and add 0. You will get the answer in minutes. Now all of you open their notebook and start writing this in your notebook. You first write the date. Listen my instructions carefully. Huh? You will not tell me in the middle of the session that, ma'am, what we have to write. First you write the date, then you write the day, then you write the chapter name and number, then you write the topic, conversion hours / minutes / seconds. Then you write the first topic, hours into minutes. And then you start doing this. So first I will show you my board till here. After that I will put it down, because please switch off your microphone. Yes. After that, ma'am, I'm getting voice from back. So after that, I will show you the down part of my board. Please start writing, children. Catherine, ma'am, please tell me when they complete. They will show you the thumbs up whether they have done or not.
Ma'am, you will send the recording now?
No, I will
No,
not
ma'am,
send
will
any
not send
recording.
the recording. You write it now.
I will not send
We are
any
not
recording.
sending.
You have to
Because
write in
when
the
we
class.
send you recordings, you become lazy. You switch off your camera and you play games, and then
Ma'am,
from the
your
recording
camera
you do
is
your
coming
work.
blurred.
Now,
Arav, it is very clear. Arav,
please write the
let's log off
answer
and log in.
faster. Once you complete, please show thumbs up to Catherine, ma'am. She will instruct me whether I should go forward, proceed, or I should wait.
Ma'am,
Yes, my
Man,
dear.
switch on your camera, please. Man Rajodia.
ma'am, your upside is not seen.
There
You
is
are,
nothing on top. There is nothing on top. You start
yes.
copying the first question. Lakshay.
Aryaman Sangai, what happened? You cannot see my board clearly.
Yes, ma'am.
Aryaman, can you do one thing? Just log out and log in again.
मैम
Yes.
मैम
Yes, my dear.
मैम अपना
Yes, I
लैपटॉप मैम put your laptop upside
What upside?
laptop so I can see chapter's name chapter
Now,
yes ma'am
clearly visible?
Ma'am, side one. It is not visible.
Catherine ma'am, now.
Ayansh, she has just written grade for maths on top, nothing else. Okay. So you start off with chapter name. Chapter name is tick tick tick, and you start off with the first question. Okay. She's just written grade 4 maths on top above chapter name. There's nothing important there. No, Aryaman, I
Aryaman?
cannot send you photo. Sorry. Please log off and log in. Ayush Singhania, have you started writing?
Children, be
You're
little
roaming
faster.
here and there.
started.
सेकंड के बाद कुछ है मैम?
Yes.
Ma'am.
कुछ
Yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
Ayansh.
सेकंड के बाद कुछ है
Speak in English first of all.
मैम?
No, there's nothing there. No, no, no. No, Ayansh.
ओके फाइन.
It's point A, then it's multiplication, and then it's the answer.
Which page is this in the book, ma'am?
Ma'am, no, that's extra topic.
Okay.
Children, please little faster.
Ayansh has finished writing. Very good, Ayansh.
Very good. Please show thumbs up to Catherine ma'am.
Vivan has finished writing. Rudra Mangukia, I can't see you. Twisha has finished writing. Very good. Please type done in the chat box if you finished writing. Aryaman, are you able to see now?
Samriddhi, Lamha, Vihan, Vivan, they have done. Yes. Okay, so I will just erase this topic. Yes, Priya, I'm not going to erase this. I'm writing the next topic here. Now my next question is from this topic only. My next B question is convert 5 hours. Sorry, I will write the short form so that it will come. 5 hours, 20 minutes in 2 minutes. Now here, when both the cases are given here you can see there are some changes. Before only we were having the hours and we were converting into the minutes. So it's easy to multiply. Now here we have two things. We have,
Ma'am,
yes.
Yes, Dhyan.
please, ma'am, your board, please your board, move your board to the right,
Ma'am,
right
first
side.
Got 5 hours and then add 20 minutes to it.
Yes, Ayush, I'll come back to you. Now it's visible. Catherine, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am, it's visible. Dhyan, is it visible now? Dhyan?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
So now in this case, what you will do, you will first convert the hours into minutes. So 5 into 60 and plus 20 because 20 is already minutes. So 5 into 60, 6 into 5 is 6 5 is 30 as Trisha says. Then we add this 0, 300 plus 20, we will directly add the minutes. So the final answer will be 320 minutes. Got it, children? When you have hours and minutes both, so you no need to touch the minutes because you are already going to convert these into the minutes, and you have already minutes. So this will not be converted, only the hours will be converted. After converting the hours plus the minutes, so you will get 320 minutes. Got it, children? Please write this B sum also. Please write B also in your notebooks. Now I will erase this. I will go to the second topic now. We'll give you the, for practice, more sums related with this in the Google form today. Please do the solution and send me the responses. So now next is minutes to seconds. Give the heading. Now we are converting from minutes to seconds. Yes, my dear.
Yes.
Ma'am, we have to write full spelling of hours and minutes.
No, you can write the short also. HRS
Short form.
MIN, minutes. Short form also. So now we are converting minutes to seconds. Catherine ma'am, this part of my board is visible.
Yes, ma'am.
So if the first sum is convert 8 minutes to seconds. As you all know, 1 minute equals to how many seconds? Please write in the chat box. Very good, Yugbaria. 1 minute equals to 60 seconds. So 8 multiplied by 60.
Yes, Riddhi.
Ma'am, in this you had shown that convert 5 hours 20 minutes into minutes.
Yes.
If it was 5 hours and 20 seconds, so what will we do?
Then directly 20 seconds will not come, right? Then it will be in the 3 terms, 5 hours, 20 minutes, 20 seconds. Then you have to first convert the seconds into minutes. Okay.
Oh,
And if it is coming directly also that 5 hours, 20 seconds also, if it is coming like this. So first you need to convert the seconds into minutes. That also I will tell you how to convert the seconds into minutes. Okay.
okay.
So first you convert the second into minutes, and then you have to add into the number of the minutes which you calculated. I will come to that point also, how to convert the seconds into minutes.
In converting second into minutes, we have to divide, not multiply.
Yes, yes. So as I told that I will come to the how to convert second into minutes, I will show you how to convert the smaller unit to the bigger unit. Here we are doing the bigger unit to smaller unit till now. When we convert from bigger unit to smaller unit, we multiply. So what will be the answer here for 8 into 60 is 480 seconds. Very good. SEC also we can write the short form of seconds.
Ma'am, can I
Yes.
write this?
Yes, my dear, I already told you to start writing. Yes, my dear, tell me.
I'm done.
Okay.
For done, you don't have to switch on your mic, please. Just type in the chat box that you've done.
So in the second point, I'm going to show you one more situation. I will erase the B1. And my this was A, and this now B situation is here. Convert 10 minutes 25 seconds 2 seconds. Now here, as you know that 25 seconds are already in seconds, which we are not going to touch. So we will multiply
Not
10
B.
into, yes,
And you have written B.
yes,
for
A
ball.
sum is here and the B sum is here for the same situation. Am I clear now?
seconds and minute.
Yes, first you need to convert minutes into seconds. So 60, 10 into 60. Tell me what will be the answer. Do the quick multiplication with the mental maths. 600, very good. After, because we know that 1 minute equals to 60 seconds. So 10 minutes equals to 600 seconds. 600 seconds plus 24 seconds, which we already have. So now it is 624 seconds. Laksha Thakral, please check. Clear, children? Now I will start with my third topic. Now we will convert minutes into hours. Now we will go from smaller unit to the bigger unit. In that case, we will divide.
Divide.
Now we will go from our third topic is minutes to hours. Minutes to hours. And minutes is the smaller unit. So from smaller unit to bigger unit, hours is the bigger unit, we will divide. If you are confused, you write this also in your notebook. Smaller unit to the bigger, this arrow shows that we are going to the bigger unit. From smaller unit to the bigger unit, if we go, we divide. Now let's see with the example. Can you all see my board till here? Now question is convert 520 minutes to hours. So 520 minutes to hours, we will divide it with the, we know that 1 hour is equals to 60 minutes.
60.
So we divide 520 with the 60. Divide and give me the answer. I don't have a space, so please divide and give me the answer. Yes. Can I erase this B point? Catherine ma'am, please suggest me whether I should wait or erase this.
They have written, ma'am. B1 they've written.
Okay.
No, ma'am.
Who's left?
Ma'am, I.
Rudra Master, please switch on your camera. How will I know that you have finished or not when you don't show me a thumbs up? Am I going to come to your house to see your thumbs? Show me your thumbs up once you're ready. Okay? Right,
So
fast.
now I will show you how to divide it here. We have learned the division. Sorry, it's 60.
Renu ma'am.
Yes.
Yes, Lama.
Ma'am, we have to show the method of dividing in the notebook.
No, it's up to you. If you are confident enough, then no need to show. If you need some practice, then make a rough line to your right side of your notebook and do the rough work there.
I have a way of
Okay.
Yes,
So,
I-
yes, my
Ayush.
dear.
You can rub the second one, ma'am. He's finished. Rudra Master's finished.
Ma'am, I have a easier way of dividing.
Yes, tell me.
What is it?
Ma'am, there are last zeros, so 0 and 0 will cut. Will be cut.
Yes.
6 and 52 will be divided.
Yes. So after dividing this with the long division method, so 60 is a 480. Subtracted, you will get the remainder 40 minutes. So now it will be, your answer will be 8 hours
40 minutes.
40 minutes, because the remainder will come in the minutes. We got the complete 8 hours, which you say it is said that minutes to hours, but there is something which is in minutes also. The remainder will come in the minutes. Clear?
Renu
Yes.
ma'am, if we are confident, so we can write 60 minutes divided by 5.
Yes, then you write like this. 520 divided by 60.
And we have to write the answer.
Then you write the answer. What is the answer? Then you can write 8 hours and 40 minutes. Okay. So now my fourth topic is, children, do it fast. I have some surprise also for you. If you want to do it, so please do this faster.
Starting the quiz.
Ma'am,
Give me a
Yes.
thumbs up once you're done,
but
or you can type in the chat box once you're done.
bigger to smaller, we
Yes.
multiplied it.
Yes.
And then smaller to bigger,
We
we
divide.
divided it.
Yes.
But in multiply, we plus it and divide we minus. So in that, like 2 hours into minutes, it should be divide.
2 hours into minutes. 2 hours into minutes, right?
Yeah,
Hours is the bigger unit.
yeah,
So from big to small, if you go, you multiply. But multiply with what? 1 hour equals to 60 minutes. So 2 hours multiplied by 60. Got it,
Ma'am.
Nishika?
Now we have to write this.
No. This is just for Nishika to understand. Yes, Nishika, you got it?
ma'am, I'm not Nishika Riddhi.
Sorry, Riddhi. Yes,
Riddhi.
sorry, Nishika. Riddhi, tell me. Siddhi.
Riddhi.
Yes, Riddhi, tell me.
Ma'am, we write out.
You write till here. You write everyone till here. This is just for Riddhi only. Yes, Riddhi, tell me.
I'm saying like it is 2 hours into minutes.
Yes.
And we are doing it multiply. In
Yes.
multiply, we plus it.
What we, yes, we after multiplication we did plus. Why we did plus? Because in that, see, the question was different. For example, both the cases are given in the one question, like 2 hours, 5 minutes.
Lakshya, switch off your mic, please.
This 5 is already in minutes. So will you convert this 5 minutes again in the minutes?
No.
So
We are plusing and multiplication.
yes.
We are
First, please switch off your microphone.
Yes,
He has gone somewhere. Switch off his microphone and gone somewhere.
We should
Vivek Balchandani.
make a
Wait. I'm not getting
Quiet,
to because
everyone.
कौन सा पेज पे आ जाओगे कौन सा पेज पे आ जाओगे
Ma'am,
please
I don't
switch off your
know
microphone.
about him. Just check if you
मुझे
can.
Ma'am, which child is this, Catherine, ma'am?
Lakshay Takral has switched on mic and he's gone somewhere. He's not there at his place.
Ma'am, can you able to switch
No,
off?
I cannot do that. I don't have the right. He cannot be removed also.
I did, ma'am.
Okay, thank you.
So, children here. Yes, Riddhi, are you there?
Yeah, ma'am.
So, Riddhi, you were confused that why we are adding these minutes, right?
Yes.
Yeah, Lakshay
We
is
are
back.
adding these minutes because our question is to convert it into the minutes.
Yeah.
To convert it into the minutes. So, when we are converting anything into any number into the minutes, so we will convert hours into minutes, right? It is easy for us to convert the hours
Yeah.
into minutes by multiplying. After that, what
Yeah.
we will do with this 5 minutes? Will we able to convert this 5 minute again into the minute?
No.
So in that case,
Can
what?
I leave?
Lakshay Chakral, where do you want to go? You were anyways not there on your chair. Where do you want to go now? Can I leave?
No.
Ma'am, I go to washroom.
You
So
go,
why do
please.
you want to leave now? Please don't switch on your mic unnecessarily.
Ma'am,
Rudra Mangukia, yes.
ma'am, we have to write this 2 hours 5 minutes.
Oh my dear, this is just clearing the Riddhi's doubt.
Okay, ma'am.
So Riddhi, yes, now you tell me where you facing exactly the problem.
I am facing like, I think I am understanding that we have to multiply this to make the smaller one bigger, and we have to divide big, bigger to smaller.
No, you should understand first here, you need to convert the hours into minutes, right?
Yeah.
In that case, you first have to see that, ma'am, my voice is going or it's clear.
No, ma'am, it's clear.
Okay.
Somebody else's mic is also on. Please
So
switch off your mic.
2 hours multiplied by 60 will give you 120 minutes, and then you will add the 5 minutes, which is already in minutes, you will get 125 minutes.
Yeah.
Got it? Okay, now fourth topic is to convert second to minutes. Seconds to minutes. Am I audible, ma'am?
Yes, ma'am.
Now we will convert this second into minutes. For example, convert 875 seconds into minutes. So we know that 1 minute equals to 60 seconds. So when we divide 875 with 60, please tell me the answer. What is the quotient and what is the remainder? Divide and tell me the answer. What will be the quotient? Because here also we are going from smaller unit to the bigger unit. From seconds is the smaller unit and minutes is the bigger unit. From small to big we divide. Please write the answer in the chat box. Please, children. Lamha, you have done?
Ma'am, I am dividing.
Yes, Yugbaria. Yugbaria, just check your quotient is 14 is right. Just check your remainder.
Karnav is sitting with Farzan.
Yes, ma'am. Yes. So, what is the question which will be your?
Ma'am, question
Yes, tell me.
14.
Yes, 14. So, we will say 14 minutes. And the remainder is 58. Sorry, no, check. Kevna, check. It's not 58.
Ma'am,
Yes, Vivek, what is the answer?
14 minutes 54 seconds.
No, please check. Please check about the minutes. Sorry,
Nishita
about the
says
seconds.
52.
Ma'am,
No, please check.
14 minutes and 58 seconds.
Please check.
No. No, man, that's wrong.
Please check your answer.
Ma'am, 14 minutes and 53 seconds.
No.
Ma'am, 40 minutes and 38 seconds.
No.
14 minutes 35 minutes.
Yes. Who is this? Ayush. Yes.
35, Yugbaria.
14 minutes 35 seconds. So it means it shows that you need practice in division also.
Ma'am, I Ma'am, again I have done that mistake only. I have done the sum properly but said the wrong
Said the
answer.
wrong. So yes, please pay attention here. So it's 14 minutes 35 seconds.
It's my right.
Now here our 4 topics are ended with how to convert the time.
Ma'am, it's my right.
I will be sending
Ayush,
you a Google
switch off the
Form
mic.
worksheet based on it. Now you all want to play one game?
Quiz game.
Yes.
Ma'am.
You know how to enter in that quiz?
Yes, ma'am, we did it in yes.
Okay,
Ma'am,
I will be presenting. There are 3-4 minutes left. So let me start.
I want everybody's mic off, otherwise we will remove you from the game. I want everyone's mic off.
Is my screen visible, ma'am?
Yes, ma'am. Vivan, ma'am is sending. Wait, huh? Wait. Patience.
Got?
Yes, ma'am. Click on the link, children. Start entering.
So please
Yes,
start
there
entering.
you-
Well, write your name
You have to enter your name.
and write your
No
name.
email address required. Just
Yes, I can see 3 children already entered. Faster.
Ma'am, have I joined?
Yes, I can see 4 to 5 children. 17.
see on
Yes.
ma'am's screen. Don't
Ma'am,
switch on
where
your
is
mic.
the
please.
link?
It's there in the chat box.
Who is it? Link is in the chat box. Blue line. You see that blue line?
I'm going to start. Children, be a little faster. Can I start, ma'am?
No, ma'am, wait. I'll send the link again, Dhyan. Check. You just have to click on the link and enter your name and wait. Till the time ma'am doesn't hit the start button from her end, the game will not start. So do that fast. Done, everyone?
Okay. I'll start now.
27 are there.
No, ma'am. I'm joining.
28.
I'll start.
34 are showing present, but only 28 have entered.
29.
29. Children, how long does it take for you to type your name? Fast.
Yes, ma'am. Yes.
Okay, I'll start now.
Yeah, ma'am. Start.
Ma'am, it's only loading.
Wait. Scroll a little up, they can see the board.
Ma'am, it's only loading. For a second, can you wait?
Ayush, what happened?
Ma'am, it's only. Ma'am, I was saying that in that we have to press that goal button, reset button.
Do you see the game on your screen, Ayush?
Children, it's
What
in
do you
Google
see on
Form.
your screen? What do you see on your screen, Ayush?
Only Khevna is doing very nicely. What about the others? Rudra, Vihan, do it faster.
Vivan, what happened?
रेनू मैम
Yes, ma'am.
नाम लिखने के बाद क्या करना है
नाम लिखने के बाद एंटर हो बस स्टार्ट कर देना है.
मैम
आपने
मेरे
जो
में
now you will not able to enter because the game is already started.
Is it
ऐसा
asking for a game code?
Yes.
ओके
Yes, ma'am. Game code I have.
No, I'm asking the parent. Is it asking for a game code? Then you can enter the game code that is given on top. 024475.
मैम ने करनी चालू कर
Vivan,
Yes, ma'am.
why is your mic off?
Yes.
On.
रेनू मैम,
Yes, ma'am.
आयांश नहीं कर सकता है, चालू हो गया इसलिए क्या? द गेम विल
Next
स्टार्ट
time
तो
I'll play regularly, no problem.
मतलब ही विल नॉट प्ले दैट
No,
टाइम.
he will not able to play right now.
ओके फाइन.
It's already
ओके
started.
फाइन. ओके फाइन.
Okay, no problem. I'll be frequently playing with them. It's just to revise their concepts.
Ayansh, is it asking you for a game code? No?
Ma'am, it is asking my name and return replay.
So click play, replay.
Ma'am, but I get out, so I want one more time the link.
Okay, wait, I'm sending. Yeah. Try this one.
I can see Vihan, Riddhi, Yug Baria, they are leading the game. Yes, Yug Baria, excellent. Very good.
Vivan, switch off your mic. Do you want me to write that and give it to you?
Ma'am, I'm doing my
Very good.
quiz, so I can't do.
Please be a little faster.
Vivan Patel.
Yes,
There,
ma'am, I
Fazan,
started the game,
Parinika,
that's why I
what
can't do.
happened, Fazan? Anya, Ayansh, I can see you. You start clicking, please.
Ayansh, you're already.
Ma'am,
Yes,
Ayansh
Ayansh.
is already in.
What happened, Ayansh?
ma'am,
Yes, Ayansh.
I am, but it is loading and not coming on.
So then it is your network problem. There is no problem from our end.
You are there in this.
Yeah, you've already
quiz.
entered the game.
Yes, you have already entered. Vivan Patel also entered. Vivan Patel, start, please. Man.
Vivan Patel is playing
Ma'am.
twice.
Yes, ma'am.
Jan Dalal, be little faster. Lamha. Khush. Dhairya. Vihan, very good. With 18. Last 1 more minute. Faster.
Ma'am,
Yes.
Yes, Ayansh.
it is, ma'am, it is asking for the code.
Code.
Okay, write down 024. Write down
024.
024
Okay.
475.
Just a minute. 024
475.
47. Okay, ma'am. Thank you. चलो निकालो गेम.
Join the game.
Very good. Vihan completed all 20.
024.
Vihan.
Children, you have class after this class?
Join the game.
Which
Start
class do you have after your
Please
maths
enter your
class?
name. यार, name तो लिखो.
Vivan Patel.
Ma'am, it is class. But there is no online class.
Okay.
Okay.
The name is already taken. Start game. क्या है यार,
वो मैम ने क्विज खत्म कर दिया और मैं 0 आए.
ऐसा कुछ नहीं है.
No, no, it's all started still.
Ayansh, it is still there. Bacha, it is still there. You start playing the question.
तुम्हारी आवाज गई है गेम खत्म. ये स्टार्ट नहीं हो रहा मैम, इसमें ऑलरेडी नेम पूछा है, नेम एंटर किया, स्टार्ट गेम कर दी तो नहीं हो रहा है मैम.
Ma'am, use
Ma'am, I have
any
completed the game.
because he's
Sorry?
already put that name once, no? So use any other name.
ओके ठीक है.
Oh yes.
Log in by age, whatever you want to type.
ओके ओके
Ninja,
फाइन.
ninja.
चल निंजा.
H.
Ma'am, I didn't saw my score and I just went out. Can you tell my score?
Ariman,
Ayansh, switch off your mic, bacha.
इसका टाइम 12:10 और 10:10. क्या टाइम है इसका?
10 o'clock.
Ma'am, switch off his mic, no?
Renu ma'am.
Ayansh.
Renu ma'am.
yes,
Ma'am Lamha.
Lamha.
Yes, Lama.
I'm not getting your
Ma'am
Lamha.
done quiz.
What is the time? क्या है इसका?
If you have left, so your scores are not visible here, my dear.
Ma'am, I
Lamha start 10. 10, 10.
10. Yes, 10. Lamha 10.
10.
Lamha 10. Rudra Master 14. Riddhi
Ma'am.
Goyal 15. Vihan 20. Right now, Vihan is the topper.
ma'am, you are also playing.
No, I'm not playing.
I saw that it was written ME. So it is your preparation.
No, no. Maybe somebody
Somebody else
scored.
must have typed me.
6:15 हुआ ना.
Oh, Captain America.
Ma'am, switch off Ayansh's mic.
Switch off your mic, Ayansh, please. Okay. How many minutes are in Manara?
60 minutes. अपना बोलता है
Sure.
कैप्टन अमेरिका. जी.
Complete.
वाह.
7 multiply 8. 7 multiply 8. CD counting.
Microphone, please.
हाँ बाकी है तो.
Switch off your microphone and ma'am.
Bye,
बार-बार
ma'am.
बोलना. Yes, ma'am.
Done. Bye.
आवाज ही नहीं जा रही.
All those who have finished can leave.
First of
Those who are
Start
done, they
over.
can leave.
एक मिनट.
Ma'am, I came.
See now, last
happened to
one
you?
more minute. I'll
Bye, ma'am.
bye
Bye
bye.
bye.
कितने questions हैं?
One last one more minute. Please do it little faster.
Johnny woke up 7:30 a.m. Johnny woke up.
All those who have finished, Vivan Patel, you can leave.
क्या बाकी है?
What is the time? 5:30.
Ma'am.
ज़्यादा तो ना कर दो.
ये क्या? ये क्या?
6:20.
क्या बाकी है रे? पावर अप, अपना पावर अप कर लिए.
Switch off your microphone.
Ayansh Jain.
Okay, children.
Done.
It's time done. I'm going to end the game now.
Ma'am, I also done.
Okay, I'm going to end it. Thank you. So let's see the winners. Vihan is first, Kush is second, and Vansh Balchandani is third.
Ayansh का हुआ मैम?
Yes, he has done some of the questions. He has given the answers.